If you're returning home to 18 welcome back. Thank you. We are back. Back on my computer, back on my setup. It's time to get lit. Bro, we are all the way back. Not gonna lie. I'm excited. Got content coming out. I'm ready. I'm gonna get a haircut. I'm gonna do it. I'll put it like, it's time to lock back in, get myself together. I've been locked in long enough. I like a caveman, bro. I don't even look 22. So, we're gonna lock in, finna get to the house. Finna push out this video, and I'm gonna get to y'all. Alright, so what's up YouTube? I'm here to show y'all how I made $3,000 in one trade. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and show y'all my entry and stuff beforehand so y'all can see it. So this is my Discord. You come here, you can learn, etc. I send out my trades, I send out my reasons behind my trades and stuff like that. So yeah, right. So we're gonna go to the premium chat. I think I sent my entry a bit earlier. Me and a couple other members. As y'all can see, got in at 2001. Let's go to the charts and I can do this trade breakdown for y'all. So we go to NQ, we go to the 1 minute time frame, right? 1 minute time frame to turn on our indicators. So we're trading agent session, right? So as you can see, just off rip, we're gonna put up all three indices, right? So what you wanna see is S&T below or above true day opening for your London session. If we go back and look, I already had it marked out. So on NQ, we did not take out this low. On ES, we did not take out this low. But on YM, sneaky YM, right? We most definitely took out that low. Right here. So that was my indication for a buy, right? So as you can see, I'm on a 1 minute time frame. We have our S&T before midnight opening. Midnight opens up, we run right into this bearish value gap right here. I mean bullish value gap. So I enter inside of here. That's why you saw my entry 21001. I enter right at the bottom of it, right? So after that, you know when you break above midnight opening price or below, you want to use that as support or resistance, right? Because you can use true openings as support and resistance. So if you look, we opened up, ran above midnight opening price, dropped down, we use that as support. And you have your breaker right here. Go down to the 5 minute time frame. You have your breaker right here that's sitting on top of this value gap. You broke above, you could use this again. So now as you take this trade, I'll put my deviations on. And I'm targeting this 2 to negative 2.5 area right here for my TP. Right? Boom. We break above. I'm cool now. I go to sleep. Stop loss is at break even. I already secured $200. So now I'm just letting my runners run for the night as I'm asleep. But if I was up, you could have managed this trade beautifully, you know, as price went on. Moving your stop loss, adjusting your stop loss as price went on until we got to final TP. Now, let's say you wanted to trade New York. You're not a London session trader. I get it. Let's go to trade New York, right? So these deviations are so like useful. And if you want to learn more, join the chat. Link down below. I have a free Discord and I have a paid side. Paid side, if you join, you get 80% off your first month with code welcome50. So if you want to come learn this stuff and you know trade the way I trade, come join the chat. We got weekly calls, weekly analysis, and everything. Weekly verses, stuff like that. So all I did was I seen, you know, because 10 o'clock is a distribution candle, right? So this is a shift before 10 o'clock. And I would find my 10 o'clock candle. This is right here. this 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock opened up, and we ran straight below. Use it as resistance. It's opening. Remember I told y'all you can use open as that support and resistance. We then dropped right into the -2 to -2.5 deviation. This is called a reversal / retracement deviation. And mind you, we're trying to catch the 10 o'clock distribution. So the fact that the 10 o'clock candle opened up lower first is a sign, right? So you get your entry, right? So let's go on replay mode. Let's say you bought here. Me personally, I risk 175 per trade or 200 per trade. So now you will let price play out, right? Boom. This is off one contract, by the way. One contract, 4,000, right? So you could have went from the swing low to the shift, targeted this -2 to -2.5 area, and just trailed along the way. So right here you have, let's say you want to go to the 5-minute, you have a breaker right here. So your stop loss can now be right here where you can secure $800 in a day, which is still cool. Obviously secure more, but you know what I'm saying, this is still cool. We'll let it play out. So you drop down to the 1 minute. Boom. This is how you manage a trade. Use the PD arrays that's being created to hold up your stop loss. Right? So boom. Now you secure 3,000. We get into this area for your final TP. That's $6,000 in a day. Off a simple, you know what I'm saying, strategy, time and price and deviation projections, stuff like that. So like I said, if you want more help, you want to learn this way of trading, very simple, very easy, come join the chat link down below. And, we got other students in here that do the same thing. We all sitting here and talk and chat it up. You got student games and people practicing, and you got people that's actually, you know what I'm saying, like I said, one contract, right? There's a lot of people in here who do their thing. We go over losses too. We don't just do wins, we do losses. We do weekly calls, weekly analysis, real deal transparency. You got the premium gains. You got people doing real nice, real good. And yeah, so I hope y'all do join. I will catch y'all in the next video. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.